Could you try and play AZ to C menu sekne by Jaromír Nohavica? I've been trying to figure it out. It sounds very simple, but I can't figure out the chords. Let's try and do it together. Let's listen. Beautiful. The helicon basses.
A žobuju si ráno černé papírové boty. Až moje stará pochopí, že nejdu do roboty.
What a happy, cool song. I don't know what it's about. It might be about very unhappy things. I'm going to do it quickly. We won't do the process, but let's do it together. I'm thinking of Dance Me to the End of Love, but let's listen. I'll make this big after, but this is just the intro. B flat to the D minor, to the A7, to the D minor. Let's keep going.
A žobuju si ráno černé papírové boty.
Right.
Až moje stará pochopí, že nejdu do roboty.
And then the verse. D minor, maybe he went to A7 D minor, and then he went to the F. I'm just going to give you the general outline, and you'll figure it out in terms of rhythms.
Až moje stará pochopí, že nejdu do roboty. Až vyjde dlouhý průvod.
To the A7.
Smutečkuju si ráno. A žobuju si ráno černé papírové boty. Až moje stará pochopí, že nejdu do roboty. Až vyjde dlouhý průvod smutečných hostů na Slezsku Ostravu od Sikorova mostu, až to se mnou sekne. To bude pěkné. Pěkné, fajné a pěkné.
What a cool, beautiful song. So again, D minor to D minor to F da 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 ba 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 da 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 da. In general, this is what the song is doing. Again, my screen is small. This is in general what it's doing. Lovely song. And now it moves a little bit.
Na Slezsku Ostravu od Sikorova mostu, až to se mnou sekne. To bude pěkné. Pěkné.
The chorus here drops to the B flat again. Probably to an F. D minor.
Až to se mnou definitivně sekne.
D minor. So the intro is also the chorus. This could be the whole song. And, sorry, let me make this big. It could be that this is the whole song. Like what? Let me just pull up something quickly. We'll see if we have this analogy. I'll send you a video too. Did I ever make this live? Yeah, this video is public. I call this the puzzle piece method. In music, I'll paste this here in the chat. In music, we're generally given 3 to 4 to 5 puzzle pieces. And our job as musicians is how do we put those pieces together? There's the part that I do, which is figuring out which pieces we're going to play with, which is like the chords of the song, the key. We know the key after playing and listening and doing playback exercises, D minor. Given the key of D minor, the pieces that we get to play with are the G minor, A7, F, and B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the 5 pieces that we get to play with. I think 4 in this puzzle. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 puzzle pieces to play with. Your job as a music student, my job as a music teacher, a big part of it is teaching you to play with that puzzle. To be like, oh, whenever we have a D minor, an A7 goes into it 80% of the time. So I'm listening for that chord change. Oh, there's a D minor to A7. We see this all the time. Over here too, this is a song in a different key. Holland, Holland, ba ba da ba 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 ba. Similar things. Similar ideas that we keep seeing across all songs. And so the song is beautiful. But we've seen it over and over and over again. These chord changes from D minor to F to the A7. This is Dark Eyes. A7 to D minor to A7 to D minor, or even to B flat. We see this over and over again. So again, lovely song. And the rhythm is interesting. We're not going to write it down to the person that wrote down, why don't I write down the sheet music? But again, let's keep listening a little bit.
Aby všeckým bylo jasné, že mě lidi měli rádi. Ať je guláš silný, babi smutné, muzika ať ladí. Bo jak se mi stalo Sondryho, nebudu ho trpět ani co jsem v hrobě. To bude pěkné, pěkné, fajné a pěkné.
Thank you, Martin.
Až to se mnou definitivně nesekne. S některým to sekáže až neví.
What does this mean? Jaromír Nohavica invites you to play on stage with him. His accordion broke. You're in the audience. And you're like, I don't have my sheet music. Is it? And he goes, the chords are this. These are the chords. And you go, oh, I've played these chords before. And he goes, follow me. This is my dream. And then you show up and you go... And then he sings. And then you surprise him, you go Die, 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 die. You start mixing up songs, and he's nodding at you, and he's like, good job. Good. That was Huffing Jun. This is our tune of the month on Accordion Love. Very similar set of chords.